Noun clauses are clauses that act like a noun inside of a sentence. There are a few types of noun clauses, and in this video, we're going to talk about the noun clauses that start with our WH words, like who, where, what. We can make a noun clause out of a question. For example, we have the question, who did you talk to? We can change this into a noun clause, who you talked to. For the sentence, I don't know who you talked to. You'll notice that the structure of this noun clause is a little bit different from the question. We still start with our WH word, who, but the noun clause is structured in sentence word order. You talked to. We have subject, verb, order. Whereas in the question, we have a question word order with a helping verb did. Let's look at the next example. We have the question, where is she going? And our noun clause, where she is going. For the sentence, I'm curious where she is going. Again, in this case, our question has a question word order, where is she going? And our noun clause has a sentence word order, where she is going. Let's look at the next example. Our question is, what is that? And our noun clause is, what that is. For the sentence, I don't know what that is. Again, we have our question word order, what is that? And our sentence word order, that is a dog, or that is a table. We have that first, and then is. Our last example is a little bit different, but it follows the same rule. We have a question, what happened? And our sentence is, I'm not sure what happened. You'll notice here that the question form and the noun clause form are actually the same. What happened? What happened? And that's because in this example, the question form, the question word order, is the same as the sentence word order. So our sentence is, I'm not sure what happened. Now there are a few types of noun clauses, but these are a few examples of how to form WH word noun clauses from questions.